Welcome back to the V-Tune Garage, guys. Today we're going to be working on this 2016 Ford Focus RS. Samcrac actually brought it to me. I replaced the frame rails. If you haven't seen that video, go ahead and check that out. So today we need to go ahead and reassemble all the parts that we took off during the frame process. So now that we have all the wiring and everything on the car, now we need to go ahead and trim out all the parts. We need to paint the rebar and pre-paint the hood, because I guess Samcrac didn't paint it. So let's paint all these parts. So we got the hood off. Jimbo's over here scuffing them. We're about to be mixing some paint, get them all sprayed in. You can see Samcrac did a pretty good job of painting it. I guess he was painting with his eyes closed because he got like barely any paint on there. So let's go ahead and scuff all these parts down. We also have the radiator support right here and the rebar. So we're gonna scuff these down, get some paint mixed up, spray them in. So we have everything sanded. We went ahead and wiped everything down with some wax and grease remover. Now it's time to paint it. Parts are painted, we're going to go ahead and start putting everything together. We're going to start off by putting the rebar on, just so we get a general idea of how everything is supposed to go on. Because I didn't take this car apart, so I don't really know where anything goes. Now we got the rebar on, we're going to go ahead and install the radiators with the condenser. Radiator installed, everything is hooked up. Now we need to put the intercooler on. This is a Mishimoto intercooler. Really easy to install. Slips on like that. You got two brackets that go on like this. So we got the intercooler on. Now we're going to install the charge pipes. Finished installing the intercooler. Really simple installation. Now we need to go ahead and tackle the colder intake installation. It's really simple. You just pop off this old piece. All right. Really easy to remove. Now it's just a really easy installation. You just slip it down in there. So now that we have the cold air intake installed, we're going to go ahead and drop the radiator support on. So we got the radiator support on. Now we're going to install the Mishimoto oil cooler. Really easy to install. Goes on right here. So now that we have the oil cooler installed, we need to go ahead and install this sandwich plate. We need to take off the oil filter. So now we're gonna go ahead and install the fenders. Alright, so now we need to go ahead and put some fluids in this car. We need to add a quart of oil to this place for the oil cooler, and we also need to add some antifreeze. Well, alright guys, that's going to be a wrap for today's video. As you can see, the Focus is all put together. It's almost ready to drift. We're still waiting on a couple pieces. If you enjoyed this video, go ahead and smash that like button and subscribe. Thanks for watching.